Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is me, Joey, your mom. Today's video is gonna be practicing motorcycle today, and Ira knows how to drive already, and I'm jealous since I think I'm gonna be having a fever since I have a pain right here. But it's okay, guys, since it will be a pain here. I don't feel anything bad. Let's just practice then. Hi guys, look at this. Now we are on our way right in the road we're gonna be practicing, since the road doesn't have a lot of motorcycles and we can practice so much. I'm so excited, guys, since it's our first time. Ouch. Pain.
Masyad dito sa mata, dako ang mata.
Oh my god. Sorry if it's shaky, everyone. I am so sorry if my hands is hard. Hi, look. Ano yan? Pili na sa kuan. Itong, ito? Sa lingkuranan sa kuan.
Mata.
Ay, duta.
Dito. Na maglugsong mga riba niya. Balik, walay motor no.
Sure kayo naman eh. Wala. There's no harm here, guys, driving, since, as I said, it doesn't have a lot of motorcycles, so it's safe for us!
Agyan yung ito kay lumot na siya.
Okay. Here. Ata? Tara, tap.
Stop.
Yeah. Tambayan, guys!
Danaw. So in this nice view, our mountain angel driving a motorcycle. So first try.
Ayaw, ikuan!
Nahinay lang nak. Slowly.
Break, ha?
Kaliko na eh. Ay lang kay palayo. So that was her first time to drive alone. Am I right? And yours is when Ate was riding a bike and then you drove that motorcycle you stole from Kuya, right? So what do you have to say? You have to upgrade yourself. Upgrade. You have to say something.
Hi, guys. First, our second time riding a motorcycle.
So cute. That's my girl.
Go yung ate eh. Balay na dira pa.
Rest house. Dakuha ng balay gitukod eh. Ginakon sa ito imposing. Sige, siya sa. Nahina lang nak, ang wala mo i-brake kung kusog.
Asa wala pa?
Right, left.
Ani?
Oh, hinahinay lang.
Ani?
We choose here because it was like a highway road, but it's dead end. I think it is just from here where we stand until the end of this road. I think it is only 600 meters. So there's no other people will go pass through here. It's only few because it's not the same time they will pass this road. Yes. So that's why we choose this place to. Ha? Sige lang. Sige lang. Layo apod nimo ay dire ra unta ka. So just like how many minutes we count, and we hear some motorcycle that will pass. Nana? Opa? So our house is we can see right there. But I don't know where exactly. Amigom to nako. Kailam to nimo. Natumba ka? Natumba ka? Ha? Ano man? Natumba ka nak? Ha? Anong dugay mo kay ka? Anong dugay mo kay ka? Wa ka natumba?
Wa jud.
Daan na.
Wa no. Wa no.
Ah, diri lata.
Oh. Kuha na ko pre. Flower. Dua ay, dua ay, dua ay, dua. Mangpud. Ay, nag-share. Asa galingan hina? Go, ay. Go, ay. Go, 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 go. Panabangon guys, that's my sister. I'm so proud. My stomach is so big so I can't run.
Yeah. It can help you. It can help you lose some water in your body. What a jug.
I think walking is faster.
Really?
Because when I jog, it's
Yeah.
nonsense. I'm just like, and when I walk,
Oh, really? Yeah.
the difference.
Uy, ular. Uy, tukar. The dancing inmate. She really feels
I love.
her adrenaline rush was boiling.
I told her I love you so much, and her face like this. You don't love me anymore.
Ano di konok?
You don't love me.
I love you too, man.
You don't love me no. I love you. I love you. You want it? You want me to go, guys?
Careful. Careful. Ilang kiwawan lagi siya. Mas That was my baby who is only 12 years old and already as tall as her mom, I guess. So hopefully, what's your dream? To be
A flight attendant.
okay. So can you try to spoke like that?
We arrive at your destination.
Okay, so since it was your dream, so I have to give you a task to search those words that they say when they land and they take off, so that in our blog, if we ask you what to say, you can make some discussions, and then you act like you're a true flight attendant, right? So will you do? Okay. Hmm. So now we will go downhill. Kato kuan naman to kanang katong nasa Luyo, kuan naman to kanang Santa Cruz Padong.
Luyo.
Kato ba? Ang Tagaytay kanirang anay suga.
Oh.
Kanang puti o inig abot anak kanang mura ginagnay ana nya na ining anang abungtod. Luyo na siya kanang naini anang abungtod. Nara Ginoo. Mailhan Ginoo nga luyo. Nagkuag palak anay mong tunob nako eh. Checkpoint ing na checkpoint. Ina lisensya.
Need kag lisensya. Kung wala kay lisensya, 10K bayad.
Do you have a license?
Singot. Gilang ali kung ko. Ako talaga gulit no. So now guys, we're on our way home and I'll show you if we're kuni backing hang nga naglisod og pamaayo. Dira ao?
Partisan ako.
Mulang.
Wala hapit sa tinan.
May kuryente. I hope so. Yes! Thank Lord! Now we're on our way back, everyone. Kalimot kong kuan di ever now. Well, you're not good at memorizing though. You're still sick. Yeah, it's a basic. Char.
Nanglan ka motor.
I have clubs in our house though. I could use that. Wow, halili mo.
Driver niya man to ba?
Nato. Nato. Di man pa kay na may tao matumbag. The owner was there watching. Ooh, a lot of trucks. Elf. Mayahi, mayahu, mayaha, mayaha. Tulad ng mundo, hindi tumitigil sa pag-ikot. Pag-ibig di mapapagtulad. Shing shing shong shong shing shing long lang.
Ito ta sa lagi-lagi.
Asa? Ay, ayaw, santikan. Triumpo. Triumpo is much better.
Dire.
Huh?
Dire.
No, it's so short.
Like
No, there's no like. There's no like. This is short alone, without like.
yeah.
Wow, worse.
Go.
Wow. my fever just lost. And my tonsil was lost too. And now guys, we just arrived here at the house. I'm so happy that I already learned how to drive motorcycle. And see you in my next video guys. What if we'll be driving? I'm alone and they're gonna be using a drone. Imagine that guys. You'll see me driving at the top. Imagine that. I love that so much. So, but for now guys, I guess that was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Before I end this video, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to always update new videos. And don't forget to hit the like button. That's the only way you can help